All right, guys, welcome back to Wake Up Charlotte Weekend. If you have been out today or last night, I mean, just really beautiful weather in comparison to what we saw last weekend where it was super cold. Is it going to continue like this?
I think the warm weather definitely this weekend. A few changes we get in the middle of next week, but today near 80 degrees. Tomorrow upper 70s. A little preview for you right there. Let's take a view and show you what's happening in the skies from our 4-camera array. It's always great to take a look at these different cameras. Monroe looking okay. That's a great shot from K-Town. Kannapolis looking towards the research campus off in the distance there. From our Dallas, North Carolina tower cam, you can see a little bit of lightning showing up, popping off to the west there. Then from Monroe, look at that. It's just looking to the east is clear skies out there in that direction. Now, west of Interstate 77, that's where we're seeing the heavier rainfall this morning, tracking in our general direction. You got heavy rain up towards the Virginia border, all the way down to Hickory along the I-40 corridor. Once you get into Cleveland County, Rutherford County, all the way into the upstate of South Carolina, some moderate to heavy rainfall there. So heavy rain right now up Interstate 77 as you get down towards Wilkes County, Alexander County, into in the Hickory area. You get into Lincoln County, around Shelby, some heavy rain there. Getting some cloud to ground lightning reports in those areas. So yeah, you'll see the lightning out there and the clap of thunder. A lot of people maybe being awakened by that. From Asheville all the way into the upstate, got some heavy rainfall on Interstate 85 from Greenville down towards the Atlanta metro. Kind of zoom in and show you got some heavy rainfall this morning from Yadkinville as you get into areas just to the northwestern corner of Iredell County, west of Statesville, from Hickory all the way down as you get 321 towards Lincoln into the upstate, from Shelby all the way down into Gaffney in South Carolina. Some very heavy rainfall. That's all moving basically from west to east. Pretty fast moving system too. Heavy rain, and I think the most significant amount of stormy weather this morning would be from Atlanta to the southwest of there. We kind of expand the view. Unfortunate situation in Mississippi last evening. Devastating tornadoes there. There were maybe an EF4, maybe even beyond that. We'll have more about that coming up in the Today Show. They'll have some live reports there about that devastating situation from Mississippi. For us, as we take a look at the potential for any severe weather threat today, I think that will be mainly south of here, towards Columbia, towards Atlanta. Then you get into Virginia, up around Roanoke, Virginia, in that area. Take a look at future cast. Those showers starting to move in our direction over the next hour or so. You can see some heavy rainfall 8 a.m. between Lincoln and the Virginia border up towards the Triad. Then about 9 this morning, some heavy rain into the upstate. Then another band of showers moves across our area as we get to late this afternoon. This evening could be some strong storms, Southern Pines, Rockingham, Sharon, South Carolina, about 7 o'clock tonight. Then things clear out as we take a look at the potential for any severe weather threat today. I think the main issue, some windy conditions. We could see winds gusting over 35 to 45 miles per hour, and some cloud to ground lightning. It wouldn't be, we'll have a chance of maybe the P to dime-sized hail and some of those storms out there. Not expecting a lot of rain, at the most maybe 2/10 to maybe 1/3 of an inch of rainfall, because there's a quick moving system. For the most part, low to mid 60s out there right now. Check it out. Pollen count very high as we go right through the weekend. It's that time of the year. Time to talk about some great soccer action tonight at the stadium. Warm and windy, temperatures in the 70s. Great weather for that. We'll be near 80 for a high temperature today. Here's a Guy Roofing 7-8 forecast. Tomorrow, sunshine and 78 showers on Tuesday. Cooler weather as we get to the middle of next week. And that is your forecast this morning. Have a great day.